Oh goodness, that's so cold. Woo. Welcome to Typhoon Lagoon. We are in the lazy river.
Oh wow! No, Nadia, let go of this here. Grab onto this.
The water here is so much colder compared to like Volcano Bay. Oh, it's very cold.
Nadia, how about we race? Alright, let's go in 3, 2, 1.
Through the mist, under the bridge. Can't see anything. They don't stop you down there. They're equally yoked that way. Nadia, say hi. I don't have as much. Oh, there was a bird. These clouds back there look really, really dark. I don't think we're gonna be here long at all. Seems about right, because I know just about every single time we come to Typhoon Lagoon, it seems like storms. And sure enough, these dark clouds back there, yeah, it's hard to believe it hasn't started storming yet. Yeah, it said 50% chance at 3, and then it does 60 to 80 to like 8 o'clock or so. But this way looks nice. Oh! Here we go! Get your goggles on! Because we're going to see the backside of water. Alright, so fast forward, and they announced that everyone had to get out of the water at Typhoon Lagoon. And so we decided to leave, and now we're at Epcot. Because we're like, you know what, not ready to go home yet, can't swim. All outdoor rides are going to be closed, of course, with the storm. It's going to storm pretty bad, actually. So we're thinking, why not go try some yummy treats and World Showcase? Specifically, we saw some goodies in Germany that we thought were very good. Thunder that looked very good last time we were here. And so we're going to hop in Epcot right now. Still in like my bathing suit and cover up. We'll see if I get dress coded going in here. But I mean, it's raining, so we didn't really want to change. We just came straight here from Typhoon Lagoon, and since it's going to be pouring the rain anyways, why put on regular clothes? So we're here. Let's go have some treats. Made it inside. Let's go check on some wait times on this rainy Sunday. We're headed in Nemo and Friends. There's only a 5-minute standby wait time. Spaceship Earth was closed. So, heading on in, 5-minute wait. Let's go see some fish. My favorite part of this ride.
Jellyfish! Right! Okay, now I'm thinking of something.
Yeah, there's 2 manatees over here. Just finished the Nemo ride. Then ventured upstairs to say hello to the manatees. So many fish and stingray in here, and sharks. Oh, That little guy just, oh, shark chasing him there.
Little one.
Turtle! Look at the turtle! There's a turtle right there on the Mickey! And a hammerhead!
Hammerhead.
You see that sea turtle? It does.
Why is it moving? Yeah. The fish are looking. That one is going under here. And one is maybe. There's a hammerhead shark. They might.
He's just swimming around right now. That guy's sleeping inside there. One right there. Yeah, that yellow one's pretty.
Look at that weird fish. It has so many textures on it.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, Nadia was wondering what those fish things that are straight up and down. Oh, look at that guy. It's got a purple face. And I think, isn't that a starfish? That squiggly one back there? Yeah, by that plant. I'm pretty sure. Ooh, there's another starfish over here. And that's one too. Back in there.
What's that long thing?
Look at this starfish, you guys.
Look at the starfish. Yeah, look at the big starfish in there.
There's one up there too. Oh, look at that polka dotted fish.
They look like birds.
Look at the tree. That's an eel.
Wow, that is a big lobster. We went over to the Greece food booth, and Brandon and I got the lamb gyros, and we came over back here to Morocco because the kids loved it so much. So we're gonna get them some food here at Spice Road Table and some ice waters. They said it'd be like a 10-minute wait, but probably less. So that's what we're doing right now, is waiting for our table. Here is the lamb gyros. So if I open it up so you can see what's on the inside. Some lettuce, looks like some kind of sauce, the lamb, and the tomatoes that I'm gonna pick off. All right, let's try it. It looks like a half of a one too, but it has 2 pieces on it. So, oh, and it's cold, yeah. Yeah, it's cold. It's not hot at all. All right, let's give this a try. And it was $13 for both Brandon and mine. That looks really good. Yep, the one got his non-bread and grilled cheese. Yummy, yummy. And Nadia get the same chicken again, the spices on the side, and then they're spices, but they're not spicy, but she just didn't care for them. And then this is the sauce that comes with that I think is delicious, but she just likes the chicken plain. So yum yum. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I think these are pieces of naan bread too, right here. Yeah. So you can taste the naan bread.
But there's naan bread on here?
Yeah, that's naan bread. That's bread. Yeah. Yeah, and this is a piece of bread too. And then the rest is all chicken. 98 Degrees is here at Epcot singing right now. All right, we just visited the caramel quiche. Handcrafted caramel treats, Werther's Originals here in Germany. They have some yummy, delicious things. So, Brandon, what did you get?
The caramel apple pretzel, I think.
Okay, that looks delicious. Nadia? She got a marshmallow covered in chocolate and caramel. I got, this is a like caramel apple oatmeal cookie. So excited to try all of these. We just stopped by the refreshment outpost here, and they have some little musical instruments that you can bang on. But this is where Owen wanted his snack. He got he mixed lemon and Coca-Cola in a slushy. So there it is. Doesn't sound the greatest to me, but it apparently did to him. All right, so there's Owen's snack. We just stopped in the store and got our annual passport magnet distribution. Nadia, want to show us what you got? Yeah, we got Mickey and Minnie on their magnet annual pass holders.
Rainbow.
Yes, it is so beautiful. And we can punch these little pieces out here.
Right
and
now?
You can see through it. Well, we'll do it later.
No wait.
Yeah, no wait at all. Right here in the creation shop. And after a very quick change of clothes, we are now at Animal Kingdom. We were looking at the app to see what we were gonna do next after we were eating our cookies, and we're like, Flight of Passage is a 20-minute wait right now, and Navi River Journey is a 10-minute wait. We cannot pass this up. So, got in the car, and now we are here at Animal Kingdom parking lot, walking in, gonna ride these 2 rides here, and then call it a night and go home. School tomorrow, but we're excited. We just saw the flamingos, and now we're over here at the otter habitat. Guys, there's no one here. The parking lot was basically empty. So many people were leaving as we were coming in, and it's only like 6:30. Park closes at 8. I don't see the otters, do you? Yeah, we made it in to Pandora. You can hear the sounds. Oh, there it goes. All the different sights and sounds. Pandora is so beautiful at night, especially. But it's even walking into this area is so neat. All the plants that they have around look really unique. The ground glows. It's misting. Not even really a sprinkle, but we are here. A 20-minute wait. Yeah, you can see people crossing the bridge up there. Going in. "20 minutes. Made it inside the cave. Haven't stopped yet. Just moving right along. This is a good sign. Made it inside to this bunker type of area. All right, now the glow in the dark section of the queue. Love this queue. Oh my goodness, look, just going and going and going. Not stopping. I feel like this is new. Like they didn't have this covering on them before. I feel like that's different. Made it to the conservation lab.
Yes, because of the magnet. This is also real. It's also a magnet.
We got off of Flight of Passage. I love that ride. I think it's like my favorite one here. And now we are in line for Navi River Journey. The Captain and Spurs at the front said it was going to be a walk-on. And I think we got in line for like a minute to spare, like literally. But we're in line, we're going through the queue. We're going to ride Navi River Journey today. I'm so excited. We haven't ridden it in a long time. Nadia didn't even remember what it was. She's like, are we gonna get wet? I'm like, no, we're not. I don't know. great time at 3 different Disney parks today. Typhoon Lagoon, we went to Epcot, and now ending the night ever here at Animal Kingdom. We had a fantastic time. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And now it's your family time. Bye.